All right, I am riding around in the all-new 25 Nissan Murano, and this is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to give you my initial thoughts. This is my first look at it, first time behind the wheel, and there's a few things that I've already noticed that I really like that I'm going to show you guys, and me and Tom will do a more in-depth video in the coming weeks as soon as we get some more of these Muranos in stock. But I could not wait to get my hands on this thing and take it out. I'm getting pictures of it today, things like that. So let's just get into it. All right, let's do a quick walk around, show you the exterior of this graphite gray Murano. Now this one is Platinum, all-wheel drive. And if you are a Nissan owner, or most vehicles have the liftgate button down here, it's not here anymore. Nissan has moved it up here to the emblem. So that might catch you off guard. Got 21-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Let's step back, get a profile shot of this thing. Love, love, love. This thing looks good. Front end, very clean, very simple. You got the little lights on the side of the grill, which I think is a nice touch. All right, one of the things that I learned about actually this morning, I was taking some product photos of the rear mat, not the carpet mat, but kind of the cargo protector. What you'll notice is this thing has kind of got two layers to it. Hang on a second. You see that? All right, so that's what I want to show you guys. So this is really neat. This is brand new from Nissan. So this folds up flat. You don't even really notice it when it's, in the vehicle as is. So you can fold it down. You get a nice little bumper protector there when you're loading and unloading, hanging out in the back, whatever you're doing. And you got these little bungees on the side that are going to hook right there. That's kind of hard to do one-handed. All right, there we go. So, I don't know what that's for. That's going to be to protect your liftgate when you got stuff loaded up. How many of y'all got a vehicle with liftgate and the interior panel is just absolutely destroyed? My wife's in her car is broken. I don't know if anything like this would have helped, but yeah, I probably did. It's probably my fault. All right, let's put that back up. But if your Murano doesn't come with that, you should get it. And there's tons of room. You can see my camera bag back here, this is the big boy. That's the big one. Got my tripod, all my gear. How much room's in the back of this thing? This one's also got the little security cover you can pull back, cover up your belongings while you're out doing stuff. Power liftgate. So let's close the door on this thing and let's get a look at the startup. This display is clean. I love it. Turn that off. Got Murano on the dash there. And I don't know how good you can see it with this camera, but wood grain. And then you get the kind of integrated haptic feel HVAC, just like the Aria has. And then on the dash, you've got this trim right here that's like, you can see it over here. It's like a greenish blue color, and then it's a gradient over to like a copper, kind of cool to warm. I really think it looks nice. Then we got the two-tone. This is brown. Then you got the gray. Look at these seats. You get the same color gradient on the door panels. Buttons for your shifter. You got park, reverse, neutral, drive, or manual mode, so you can use the little flappy paddles. Your drive modes, you got eco, standard, and sport. I have not driven this in sport yet, so I don't know. Feels like it's got plenty of power. You got the wireless charger. There's also LED strip lights. You can kind of see and hear. Can't see them, it's daytime. I'll get some nighttime shots for you guys.